In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link or unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can do this directly in Instagram or you can do it directly in Facebook. These settings that you click on to get here are practically the exact same, so I'm going to demonstrate this here on Instagram. But obviously, go ahead and open up whatever app you choose, and then go ahead and open up your settings, essentially. So on Instagram, you tap your profile icon and then the three lines. On Facebook, you just hit the little menu button, which is those three lines, and then tap settings up at the top. But then you're going to want to hit this account center or meta account center up at the top, and then scroll down a little bit, and what you're going to want to do is find the little accounts tab, which is going to be this little profiles tab right here. Open it up. And then find whatever account it is. So in this instance, it would be Facebook, right? Or Instagram. You just select that and then you'd be able to remove that account. You could also go down to this connected experiences section, hit view all, and then in here, you could also go ahead and remove Facebook as well. There's multiple ways to do it, but that is it. It really is as simple as that. Everything is managed inside this account center for Meta, which is owned by, everything Facebook and Instagram. So it doesn't matter which device you're using or which app you're using, it works pretty much the exact same. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.